Good day, now home. I'm your host, Willem Cloud, and today I'm gonna teach you how to drive a manual. So, as you can see, it has gears and it has clutch. This is a clutch. I'm gonna show you and teach you so easy that even you can show your kids. Well, before I'll teach you how to drive, you need to understand simple basic thing. You have automatic and you have an automatic license and you never driven a stick. You call it stick shift. We call it manual gearbox, manual. Basically, you have gears. And automatic, there aren't any gears. They are just P, park, drive, reverse, and so on. And you don't have a clutch. This is a clutch pedal. Now, first lesson is know your pedals. So this is a gas. See, when I press only this, the revs on the engine goes up. That's the gas. That's what will make the car move faster forwards. Now, this is a brake. You need to press the brake when you want to stop the car completely. And this is the clutch. You pressing the clutch fully in until it bottoms out, and then only you can do anything with a gear shift or gear knob or gears. Only with the clutch. Once this pedal is pressed in fully, then you can only move this around. When it's not moved in, better not to move it at all. That's the lesson you need to understand. Anytime you want to move this shift, anytime you want to change the gear, or you want to come to a full stop, you need to press in the clutch pedal. Every time, every single time you touch the gear knob, or you want to come to a full stop, you need to press in the clutch. That's it. If you know that basic thing, drive a manual car is not that hard. People are afraid, and I know from the experience. I teach 5 people how to drive, and now all of them has a driving license, all of them. And they didn't knew, and their instructor were so bad at teaching that they were afraid to start in the first gear. Now many people say, hold the RPMs to 2500 and then let the clutch go. No. If the car isn't bad and the car is good, you can just press the clutch in. Once the clutch is pressed in, put it in the first gear. See, first gear is here. And then slowly let the clutch out. See? Car is rolling itself. That's it, see? See, I'm not even pressing the gas pedal. The car is moving. See, we are moving. If you want to stop, that's it. And take it out of the gear. Now I'll show you. If you look at the front, see? I have only clutch. I'll put it in the first. Let me show you with this view. My car might die. See? I didn't even press gas. That's how simple and easy. See? You press gas. Go faster. Again, clutch in. Change it into second gear. Let the clutch out. Without any gas, it will move. And you can repeat this until you feel comfortable. Because with the second gear, look, I can do whatever I want. See, I'm filming with one hand and doing turns and everything else. See? That's how simple and easy it is. Again, if you want to go in the third gear, clutch in and third gear, let the clutch out, and it goes. So simple. I've seen many videos on YouTube where people just go. What's the point? If your car is rubbish and it doesn't hold your RPMs, then yes, you need to do that. But if you get a good car, then there shouldn't be such a problem. Now again, clutch in. See, I stopped fully. Once you want to stop fully, you always have to press the clutch in. So complete standstill. This left leg is only for the clutch. My other leg is for gas and brake. Simple as that. The rest is the same. And right now there should be in the corner another video. Now let me put the clutch in. First gear, let the clutch out. my car almost died because it's not that healthy. See, we are moving. Second gear. And third gear. See, it's not that hard. And you always, it doesn't matter by the way which way you are, it's the same. If you're in America, clutch, brake and gas, it's always at the same place. Let me show you reverse. See, I stopped at the car. See, the car is in front. So I need to press the brake and the gas and put it in reverse. Some cars has in and towards you, but I have just really to the side. It's the BMW way. Now you see, and we're going in reverse. Now if you again clutch, brake, you need to use always the clutch when you're changing the gears or going to a full stop. That's it. If you know that, you won't have any problems with starting or moving or whatever. It's actually that simple. To drive, it's that simple. There isn't anything hard, difficult. It's just the people are so lazy that cars are doing everything for them. And once you have a stick shift or stick car, it's like, oh, it's too hard. It's not too hard. And you choose which gear you want to be in. Basically, that's it. If this video was helpful and now you basically understand or you want to go try yourself, then please do it. But for now, if you like this video, of course, leave a like, subscribe for more awesome videos, share the videos like so that people can see them too. I hope I'll see you in the next video. Woohoo! Bye!